Hey everyone, and welcome to our usual chat that we have about the strategies in our portfolio that have performed the best over the last period. As always, before we begin, I invite you to please leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and go and click on that notification bell so that you can stay updated on all our new up and coming content and videos. Thanks so much. Hi, we are the Unger Academy, and we teach traders how to make money in the markets. Our founder, Andrea Unger, had been struggling with trading for years until he developed his automated trading method, which he used to become the only 4-time world trading champion. Subscribe to our channel for free tips and tricks. All right, so this week, I want to talk to you about a market that has been performing very well lately, which is the NASDAQ. Now, specifically, we're going to be talking about intraday strategies, which have been able to intercept movements better than for example, multi-day or longer-term strategies. So let's start with the first strategy that I want to show you. It is a mean reverting strategy that tries to enter against a trend, let's say, like in the case of this trade, for example. Now you can see that the market was going up, and as soon as it hit the high of the previous day, which was, let's say, around this point here, it went through a false breakout. So a breakout was first up from this level and then down from the same level. And at that point, the strategy made the short trade. Long trades will happen instead in the exact opposite way. So at the previous day's low level, namely this point here, you can see that the market has crossed this level downward first, and then it returned above this level, and the strategy entered the market. So this is a strategy that, as I said, is a mean reverting intraday and will close its positions at the end of the day. What worked very well was mainly the short side. Now, let's say that this is to be expected in a year like 2022, where the market has had some huge drops. And that can be easily explained if we consider both the strong rally that we've seen in the last couple of years and, more generally, the geopolitical situation that we're seeing around the world. So the equity line of the system is this. And it's a strategy that's been out of sample since 2018. So we could say, well, that it's been out of sample more or less from this point on for several years. And as you can see that after the pandemic, the strategy was able to take advantage of the volatility generated by this market. However, there was a period that we could say went from July 2020 to early 2022 with a general leveling off, and then with a decline that lasted for quite a while anyway. But lo and behold, in the current year, in conjunction with a bearish year, which is a little bit strange, the strategy was able to return to its equity peaks. All right, let's move on to the next strategy. And this is a strategy that we could say is the exact opposite of the previous one. Because in this case, we'll try to enter in favor of the trend and not against the trend. So if the market goes up and moves in such a way that it breaks the levels calculated on the average true range, specifically 6 times the average true range from the day's opening. So if the market is up at least 6 times the ATR since the day's opening, we'll buy. And the reverse is true for the short side. And just like the previous one, this strategy also makes short trades. It has a take profit that can be described as very short for this market. To be precise, we're talking about a take profit of $2,000, which is no longer much in this market. It does sometimes take just a few bars to open and close a position. It is also an intraday strategy, so in case the stop loss or take profit are not reached before the market closes, we'll still close all our trades at the end of the session. This strategy was also developed in 2018 at this point here, and you can see that it worked very well in out of sample. And this is further proof of the fact that this market, the NASDAQ, as well as somewhat the SP 500, let's say the big brother of NASDAQ, have developed in more recent years, especially in 2022, but also generally after the pandemic, a trend-following behavior. So not just mean reverting, as it used to have in the past. The strategy has also been able to generate good gains on the long side, but again, it was the short trades that made a difference in this market. So guys, go and give it a try as well. NASDAQ isn't a remarkably scalable market, but there are micro futures. Micro NASDAQ in particular is a very liquid market that is certainly accessible and worth 1/10 of the total contract. And this means that you can generally approach the micro NASDAQ even with low capital. So yeah, go try it out for yourself. And if there is anyone among you who is interested in the world of systematic trading, I recommend that you go and click on the link in the description. From there, you can go and watch a video of Andrea Unger, our founder, and only 4-time world trading champion in real money trading. Or go get our best-selling book, The Unger Method, by just covering the shipping costs. Or, hey, why not? You can even book a free call with a member of our team. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell so that you can stay updated. And with that, we will see you soon in our next video. Bye-bye for now.